Hi, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Here we are at the Lahey Trail, Tramway Tunnel. I'm going to do a quick little video. I think this is pretty cool. Come check out my channel. Have a look at the rest of the videos. Essentially, you could jump over there, but so this is a quick little video. Yeah, that's cool. I thought I'd give a quick little tour of the tunnel here. You got information about it there. The project. So there. It was also an ammunition dump as well. For World War II, you have a walkway leading up to the car park that way. There's a bush track leading down that way. There is a picnic table down there as well, and a bit more info down here. But once you get past the table, it's not wheelchair friendly. So go as far as the table. Down there's loose rocks. There's little divots throughout the path. Bit of a drop down there as well. You've got info about the board here as well. About the tunnel, sorry. It's hand built. Talks about the safety ramp. The locomotives that used to go past. And a school teacher. But yeah. So I thought I'd just do a quick little video. Go check the rest of it out. Of all the places here in this town. So until next time, fellow travellers, have a good one, because you never know where I might end up next.